Everybody, I just finished restoring this unit for my buddy Aaron. It is serial number 2983. It had the wrong knobs on it, so we went to these. It had some old stereo knobs on it, but the arrow pointer makes it a lot easier to know where you put the knob. And as always, it can go to outer space. Alright, so let's take a little look at this unit. Like I said, we changed out the knobs. It was missing the top cover, so I built him a nice new custom one. We're going to take off the thumb screw. And it is a lovely little custom aluminum shield. It's been out pretty much just like the original. Branded with Listing Hat Records, Aaron's Studio. And of course on the bottom we've got the standard instructions for cleaning the heads. Now his unit is a little bit different. When he got it, it was already missing the original head, and somebody had put these, they're almost tape recorder heads on it, but the head size is made for 1/4 inch. There was an erase head. I really think they were both, I don't think either one was really erase. I think they're both record heads, just a little bit different style. But this one worked the best and was almost a perfect match. Inside, after I recapped it, there's almost no modifications to the board at all. I did make a couple of changes just to bring it up to spec of one of my, I've had a lot of these Fender units, and I have a favorite, so, and it's been revised a few times, so I do a lot of mods that'll bring it up to that, so it really, you can really get a whole lot out of them. And you can almost play the unit itself like that. And I rebuilt everything on the unit, rebuilt the solenoid. Sometimes they do stick, just a little click forward will usually get them running. But Even rebuilt ones have a tendency to stick there. It's a tricky one. Instead of an erase head on his, we ran a magnet back here. It's a cleaner erase, and the erase head that was on it was just not doing the job. But really it was a pretty clean, other than the head swap and the knob swap, it was a pretty clean old Fender solid state unit. But I like to, when I can't find them, I always like to make a new one of these, just because these numbers are very useful for remembering where you set your echo. But anyway, this one's about out the door, and I thought I would take one last little video of it before it left, right? I'm gonna bring that down just a little bit more.